Late-night scrolling sends a specific high-frequency signal to your brain that registers as the midday sun. This creates a biological conflict that suppresses sleep-inducing hormones and disrupts the timing of your genetic repair cycles. Every photon hitting your retina from a screen operates as an active line of code, sending timing instructions directly to your body's master clock genes. We are conducting a biological audit of what happens after sunset, tracking exactly how screen-emitted light fragments cellular DNA repair. Late-night screen exposure is a physical breach of your biological system that scrambles your genetic timing. A specific 1% subpopulation of your retinal ganglion cells, called iPRGCs, operates independently of conscious vision. Their sole function is to measure raw photon density and set the internal biological clock. This chart plots the sensitivity of these cells. They rely on melanopsin, peaking at exactly 480 nanometers. Overlaying a standard LED screen spectrum reveals a perfect match. Our devices emit the exact wavelength your circadian sensors are most reactive to. Historically, humans experienced only low-intensity, red-shifted light after sunset, like the warm orange glow of fire or early incandescent bulbs. These wavelengths leave melanopsin inactive. Because of this precise wavelength overlap, your retina registers a glowing screen as daytime light. The signal chemically halts the onset of your sleep cycle. The damage extends to the molecular level, specifically targeting the PER2 gene. PER2 is the master conductor of your cellular clock, coordinating your metabolism, cell cycles, and DNA damage repair. Biopsy protocols reveal the immediate impact. 2 hours of evening blue light exposure forces an unnatural, massive spike in PER2 gene expression right at midnight. This genetic error disrupts the physical interaction between proteins required for chromatin activation. Cellular checkpoints fail, and routine DNA repair halts. When this core timing signal is scrambled, cellular synchronization fails, leaving the system physically unable to complete its scheduled genetic maintenance. This scatter plot maps human circadian sensitivity and melatonin suppression against varying indoor light intensities. The data reveals an effective dose for 50% melatonin suppression at a mere 24.6 lux, less ambient light than a smartphone provides in a dark room. Saturating your eyes with this artificial daylight halts melatonin production and sustains daytime cortisol levels. You are running your biological engine at a morning intensity when it is designed to recover. You can buffer your biological clock against nighttime disruption by establishing a robust morning protocol. Flood your system early with high-intensity, low solar angle sunlight. Then execute a strict lux quarantine after sunset. Keep your indoor environment below 10 lux to allow the pupil to relax and the circadian system to wind down naturally. Auditing your daily light environment is a direct intervention in your long-term cellular health. Exposing yourself to above 10 lux at night is an active decision to mutate your biological clock. Protect the signal. Protect the gene.